Today I'm going to show you how to identify the right side and the wrong side of waddings and some of the interfacings. What I want to show you is how to determine what is the right side and the wrong side of some of the interfacings and waddings. Now this is the Decovil one, which is a fusible, and if you can have a little look there, you can see it has a shiny side to it. This is the fusible side, and this will go to the reverse of your fabric. I'll now look at the Vlieseline H630, which again is a fusible one, but it has tiny little glue dots on the back. Now you can either feel these with your fingers, or if you just run a pin over, it's bobbly. It feels a little bit rougher. Now when it comes to wadding, such as the 276 natural cotton wadding white, it's often quite difficult to determine again which is the right and the wrong side. The wrong side, again, if you just run a pin over, looks a little bit rougher, and it also has those bobbles on it. Now this is the reverse, and this would actually go and face to the reverse or the backing of your quilt. So if we look at a quilt here, just to explain, this is the backing fabric, this is the top, and the wadding is sandwiched in between the quilt. So I would lay this so the top fabric goes on that nice smooth side, and the bobbles are pointing towards the backing fabric. As you can see, Vlieseline has a wide range of products, each with different properties and benefits for your projects. You can view the whole range on the Vlieseline website, where you can download the brochure, which has detailed information on all of the products across our 4 categories. You can also join the conversation with us on our Facebook page, Creative Community Group and Instagram. All of the details are below.